Hi there, this is a video to show you how to turn your EagleView measurement reports into a 3D model in your Renoworks ProVisualizer. So the first thing you'll need to do when you get to your Renoworks ProVisualizer is reset your password. So you can, if you haven't done that yet, make sure you go back to your email, find that email that says reset password and do that, and then come back and join us on the video. So you'll need to sign in and then it'll change here. It'll show you to upload a photo. And now this is only important if you're going to be designing on that photo and you want to change products in the photo. But if you want to show a 3D model from the EagleView report that you've gotten, then you'll actually go up here into the top menu. Right now it's showing measurements, but this will be changing. So when you get this, yours will say 3D models, something along those lines. So that is where you're going to go to get the 3D model. So when you click on it, it will redirect you to the EagleView sign-in page. So this will be your normal EagleView account login. So you put that in here, sign in with your password, and it will then pull all of the reports that you've already ordered that we can turn into 3D models, and it'll show that list here. So if you haven't ordered it yet, you also can click at order. This takes you to the EagleView order page. But if you've ordered this through your quoting software or wherever else you typically order EagleView, once you've signed in, it should just pull it up in this list. So now I can click on the one I'd like to see, click submit, and this will take the measurements that EagleView has gathered and now convert it into a 3D model. So you don't need to visit the job site. You don't need to upload photos. You literally just take that order that you've already made through EagleView and it will turn that into the 3D model. So now you can turn this around and apply product. So you click on your surface. You'll have all of the libraries at first in here that we have available. So just let us know which ones you need and we'll take out the rest. You don't have to scroll through 60 roofing manufacturers. So you just include the ones that you'd like to see, and now that'll change on the house here. Same thing for siding, windows, all the other different areas. Again, customize your siding library so you're not showing all of these. And you can continue to design and edit. There's more videos that walk you through how to customize the gable and change trim, all those different things. So be sure to check those out, and I hope this video was helpful. Thanks. Bye.